Hi, welcome to my educational blog about Year 8 Science. I've focused on chemistry for my first task. So this is the home page. It gives you a real simple explanation of what's to be expected. This is the project overview. So this is the real guts of the page. This is where I have attempted to link my tasks to meaningful learning and the Australian curriculum. So as you can see, I have learning outcomes. I have an end product which I want students to produce, and exactly where I want them to present this. I've also got my rationale as to how it links in. So the task is where you want your students to go to. It gives step-by-step instructions on what you want them to do. Really clear, easy to understand, a link in here to actually download the free Screen-O-Matic to do the task. We then have crystals. So this is the example of what I want the children to, produce at the end. So I've added in a whole bunch at the top here explaining exactly what is the experimental process. I've gone through this process myself, made it real clear and interesting for the kids to see. I've added a little bit of the behind, researched it, and of course I've included my resources. So as you scroll down, you can go through my experiment step by step. This is what we want the students to prepare, and here is the video. This is the end product you want the students to produce. So I've got my example right here. We now have my About Me page. This is the only other page left on my blog. This just gives you a little idea of who I am, where I come from, what's my philosophy, and where's my experience. All right, good luck.